Waterfall chart. Waterfall chart is used to show the data show your the trend or the chart based on increase and decrease, the plus and minuses of your data. Like here in this sense, for example, here it is calculating based on your previous month parallel period what we created, and we are calculating based on the various variance and variance percentage. See here. So how are we going to create that? Very simple. Just click and drag your waterfall visualization chart, add the year and variance values, okay, and you can get it. Let's see here over here. Click waterfall chart. Okay, add up your category here and your variance amount from your P6 data. Okay, add up to here, and you see this. It is showing green in the increase amount, and wherever it is showing decrease, it is showing the red chart. So it is that pretty simple to show up a increase and decrease of value within your waterfall chart. Sort by, and you can sort by year wise, and then you can get to see how are we performing on a year-to-year basis. We have an increase till 2011, and then we have a decreasing trend in our variances, and it is showing in increase and decrease in two different colors. So use waterfall chart for such type of visualization.